Hey, I'm Jeff with Bayou City Steam Cleaning, and I would like to quickly share a few things that you can do before we arrive to your cleaning appointment, as these things will ensure a successful visit. First, unless otherwise discussed, we have appointment times, not windows, so we should be arriving a few minutes ahead of schedule to make sure that we have parking and all the things we need to start the job. Be sure to have a clear space for us to park our van in your driveway or on the street near the entrance. Create a plan to keep children and pets away from the entryway and the areas that you want cleaned. Remove any valuable or breakable items from these areas that we will be cleaning. Set your AC to cool and 70 degrees with the fan on, as this will help with the drying process. Make a list of any areas of concern that you would like us to address while cleaning so that we can set expectations, review your final cost, and begin working. We look forward to your appointment.